All right, check this out.
So this is the actual workflow that I use when I learn something. So I use a mix of a main learning method, kind of a traditional learning, I guess, then use AI as a supplement. So basically, you'll pick a learning method like a video course, a book if you prefer books, YouTube tutorials, whatever it might be. It could even be if you're going to college or boot camp. That could be your main learning, right? As long as it has some kind of linear path, it has to be guided. It should be curriculum based. Concepts are reinforced. You have instructor context, whether that's a real life instructor or someone like me through video courses, someone that explains why things work, not just what works, and someone that you kind of vibe with, that you can understand easily. It doesn't have to be me; it could be anybody, right? And then one of the uh, what I think is a really important aspect of these traditional methods is real world projects, right? You have an actual application, not just theory. So the mindset for this is to have it be your main teacher, right? So this learning, all these methods are your main teacher. Then you have AI as a supplemental learning method where you can get much more specific about, the topic in general or specific examples. You can have it fill in the gaps from courses you might take because a lot of times courses don't cover every single thing of that technology. It'll help you debug your errors. And back in the day, not even just, I mean, a couple years ago, if we had errors that we didn't understand, we would have to find something similar on Stack Overflow and kind of go off that, very limited examples. But now we can paste in that exact error message. But the thing is, you don't want AI to just give you the answer and you just implement it and not understand what happened. You want to have it explain everything to you. And then also, a lot of courses go out of date very quickly, right? And I know this just as well as anybody. I created my React course, and a month later, React Router completely changed, and I had to update it. So what AI can do, even though it has a cutoff date, which could be months and months ago, it can put recent documentation into its context. So you can get the React docs or the Tailwind docs and put that in the context of your AI, so you have the most up to date information. So the mindset with this, supplemental AI is to have it as your learning assistant. So you have your main teacher, you have a learning assistant. All right. Now,
All right, that's for 2026. Let's get it.